This is an interesting one. Hey there, Boots Owen here. Zanussi Electrolux Progress Auto Reverse 6 kilo TC7103W Tumble Dryer, and it is a condenser tumble dryer. Now, what I've noticed about it first is in here there's a fluff filter. That's never been cleaned. Look at that. Let's lift that up there. In fact, let's put it down there for now. Yeah, there's even more in there. Pull that out. I'm in somebody else's house, just having a look at things. So it's full of sand as well. I have to get the vacuum on that probably. They cleaned this one, I guess, but not that one. I think they use a clothesline most of the time. I would suspect, looking at the layers in that, in fact, look at that, that's never been cleaned. That's going on TikTok. That's never been cleaned. This one, there's a little latch in here. It says push the catch. If it needs a label, it's not a good design. You open that up in there, and then down here you've got the condenser unit. You can take that out by removing the red clips to give it a rinse. That's an easy job. But this one is the reason I've made a video of it is because I've never seen this before. And I think it's a good idea and a bad idea. So let's release the yellow clip, and that's your water tank drawer there that plugs into the back. I'm just going to put it back as it is. I don't think this gets used much. I'm sure that water's grim. Lock it up. It has the water tank on the bottom, which means it doesn't need a pump. Typically these things have a drawer up here for the water. This one doesn't, so it's got less to go wrong, but also you have to bend down to get in there to do that. Now maybe that's clever, because maybe you'll look at it, empty the water and go, that's all dirty, so I'll clean that. I don't know about that. Now it's a Zanussi, so I think on the serial number, the first digit, 6, is the year, so that'd be 2006. I'm not sure if that's true, but it does tally because this house is getting on for 20 years old, so that makes it 19 years old as a machine goes. So that could be right. What can we say about this then? It all seems to work as far as I'm concerned. I just wanted to point that out. Oh, the other thing, in here, this will show up. Look, somebody left damp laundry in it, probably for ages, and it's corroded the inside of the drum. And that's just the way it is. It all rolls freely, it's got good bearings and that. Well, a good bush on the back and roller bearings on the front probably. Seems just fine, but I'll make a recommendation about that lint. Maybe we'll vacuum it. Questions or comments, leave them below. Like, subscribe, you know yourself. Thanks for watching. See you later.